IQ tests are often called intelligence tests. There are also other types of tests that are called intelligence tests. Of course, they're specifically made for humans. We also talk about animal intelligence, when we try to rank animals as to how smart they are. We sometimes come up with some things which are kind of troubling. It was recently discovered that there's only one species besides humans in which individuals treat other individuals for wounds. They treat them through amputations and through cleaning wounds. Those are a species of ants. I think it's the carpenter ants. They have been observed engaging in this type of behavior, which actually saves the lives of their nest mates. Now, ants are obviously a pretty simple and what we would call primitive species. Pretty small brains. Hardly a brain at all. And yet they engage in pretty intelligent behaviors. Or what we would consider intelligent behaviors. I think there's a lot of ambiguity as to the whole concept of intelligence. I also want to put it out there that it's possible that there's, I think like one book said there's multiple intelligences. Maybe some of the intelligence is not in the brain. Maybe some of our intelligence and that of other species is in the body. Maybe there's a kind of bodily intelligence, which a lot of athletes have. Okay? And maybe there is intelligence without consciousness. Okay? I don't go along with the romantic idea that plants are in any sense conscious. They're not making decisions about this, that, or the other. They're not contemplating, this, that, or the other. However, they engage in behaviors that superficially seem smart. They also appear to have mechanisms built in for them to learn. Now, I do think just as a computer can learn without having consciousness, a plant can learn without having consciousness. So something is built in there for learning, which is not the same thing as thinking, or what is generally considered thinking. But anyway, I just want to put it out there that the entire concept of intelligence is quite ambiguous, and that we may be a little bit limited if we automatically associate consciousness with intelligence with either consciousness or limit it to the brain as the mechanism for intelligence. Because obviously some animals do not have brains and no plants have brains. But there could be intelligence at work there. Hope you like hearing it. Bye.